इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar and welcome back to Simplify Your Space. In a daily journey of homemaking, certain tasks are crucial but often time-consuming, leading us to either procrastinate or neglect them completely. However, knowing the right techniques can make these tasks much easier. Today's video is focused on sharing some home hacks that many of us may be aware of but don't regularly implement, resulting in a waste of time. Let's check out these time-saving hacks. When it comes to blankets, quilts and AC comforters, we often switch them according to the season. Many people prefer using quilt covers or duvet covers to protect them, but putting on these covers can be tricky and time-consuming. Let's explore two easy methods for putting the cover. First, turn the quilt cover inside out. After flipping it over, neatly spread it on the bed with the closed side towards the back and the open side towards the front. Now lay the comforter or quilt on top. Next, roll the cover and blanket forward from the back. Once it's rolled up, pull the cover out from the bottom and bring it on top, like shown on the screen. Slowly unroll the bundle backward and you will see how effortlessly the cover slides onto the quilt. Now let's explore the second method, particularly useful for covers that don't fully open from the front and are stitched along the sides. To begin, lay the quilt neatly on the bed. Then turn the quilt cover inside out. You will also need 3 clothespins for this method. After flipping the cover inside out, insert your hands through the open side and grab the corners of the other side as shown on the screen. Now hold both the corners of the quilt. While holding the corners of both the cover and the quilt, flip the cover over so that the quilt goes inside and the cover comes over it. Secure both corners and the midpoint with clothespins to prevent slipping. Now gently pull the cover from the front and it will effortlessly slide onto the quilt. This simple trick makes covering the quilts a breeze. I personally find fitted sheets incredibly convenient for my bed making routine. Their elastic edges ensure they fit snugly on the mattress and stay in place without shifting. However, many people struggle with folding fitted sheets. Let's see how to fold them efficiently. Begin by fully opening the fitted sheet and inserting your hands into both corners from the outer side as demonstrated. Then bring one corner over the other so that they overlap and one corner tucks inside the other. Repeat this process with remaining corners, stacking one on top of the other. Once all corners are tucked in, smooth out the sheet and fold it as you would a regular sheet. If you prefer using flat sheets instead of fitted sheets for your bed, I will show you a trick to keep them in place and prevent slipping. I shared this tip in a bed making video years ago, and let's revisit it today. Start by spreading the sheet evenly on the bed, leaving even margins on all sides to tuck it under the mattress easily. Tie knots at all four corners, ensuring they are snug and not too loose close to the mattress. This turns the flat sheet into a makeshift fitted sheet. Then simply press the sheet inside the mattress from all sides. This method works wonders, ensuring the sheet stays in place for longer without slipping away. Another method is to pull the front corner of the sheet to the side, creating a clean edge, and tuck this excess part inside the mattress. Now smooth out the side edge and tuck it inside. Repeat this process at all four corners for a neat and long-lasting bed sheet. Hotels use a similar technique for their beds, providing a tidy appearance. I learned this during my time working in hotels, and it's a great way to keep your sheets in place for a long time. Sometimes the pillow covers that comes with bed sheets are too large for our normal sized pillows, making them difficult to use. Here is a tip to make them fit perfectly. After putting the pillow cover on the pillow, tuck the excess fabric neatly. Fold one side of the cover over the other side of the pillow, then fold the remaining portion inward. This simple trick ensures that the oversized cover fits snugly around the normal sized pillow. Many times we may find that the curtains we have purchased are slightly too big for our windows or doors, but we are hesitant to take them down after putting in the effort to hang them up. Here is a great trick to resize oversized curtains without removing them or sewing. First, measure how much you need to reduce them from both sides and mark these points. Fold the excess portion and secure it with pins slightly below the edge. Then use a hemming strip easily available at button shops or online along the inside edge of the folded part. Place a wet cloth or handkerchief over the strip and iron it to activate the adhesive and bond the folded part. Repeat this process for the remaining parts. Remove the pins once the strips are in place. Now iron the bottom part again for the neat look. If your curtains are made of delicate material, iron them with caution or use a cloth to prevent damage. With this method, you can shorten your curtains as needed without much effort and without taking them down. That's all for today. I hope you found these hacks helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you all next week, and until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.